Welcome back to Royal Wood Flooring, Unit 307 in Central Phoenix, where we are doing a laminate floor installation on top of this engineered flooring. So we'll be removing the reducer, and cord around, going with a new laminate flooring on top, since this is an engineered floor. And it cannot be sanded and refinished. Engineered floors is way too thin veneer. So this is where we'll be installing the new laminate floor over the existing engineered. As you can see, it is a condo in downtown Phoenix where the laminate will be going in all the way up to the tile. We're putting a reducer, new reducer there, new laminate here. Downtown Phoenix is an amazing place, and that is the Downtown Phoenix Library, and that right there is going South Phoenix, and that is the train on Central Avenue. It is a beautiful place. Give us a call today. Royal Wood Flooring, 602-446-2613. Once again, here is our company information. Here's the project